Between the Buttons is the fifth British and seventh American studio album by the English rock band The Rolling Stones, released on 20 January 1967 in the UK and on 11 February in the US as the follow-up to Aftermath. It reflected the Stones' brief foray into psychedelia and baroque pop balladry during the era. Sessions for the album began on 3 August 1966 and lasted until the 11th at Los Angeles' RCA Studios during the Rolling Stones' 1966 American tour. David Hassinger was the engineer for the album. It would be the last album produced by Andrew Loog Oldham, who had to this point acted as the band's manager and produced all of their albums. Oldham was subsequently dismissed during sessions for the band's next album, Their Satanic Majesty's Request. With Between the Buttons, virtuoso band member Brian Jones had become less interested in electric guitar as an instrument, and on the album he only contributed electric guitar on one track apiece on the American release and the British version. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.